Let's see how to create water droplets background paper in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to create a water droplet background for our document. And to do that, there are two ways. First one is by going online, looking up a picture of water droplets, and then pasting that picture into your document. And the second one is much easier. Simply head on over to the Design tab, click on Page Color, now click on Fill Effect. And from here, click on Texture and look for this particular pattern right here. It says Water Droplets. And to apply that to your document, simply click OK. And as you can see, we now have water droplets for the background of our document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.